Hello, if you are new here, this is Harshvardhan. So, ChatGPT just got the most disturbing and also coolest update I have ever seen. So, OpenAI just announced the latest version of the ChatGPT called ChatGPT 4.0 and the things it can do genuinely had my jaw on the floor. It's crazy.
Hey, ChatGPT, how are you doing?
I'm doing fantastic. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Pretty good.
What's up?
So my friend Barrett here, I want you to tell him a bedtime story about robots and love.
Oh, a bedtime story about robots and love? I got you covered.
And even cooler, ChatGPT is now getting access to vision, which means it can do things like guide you through a math problem or even help you with what's on your computer screen. And absolutely, it can sing a moment of
joy in the stylish suite.
I'm just gonna throw this on. What do you think?
Oh, Rocky, that's quite a statement, Pete.
But the coolest part, all of this, that ChatGPT gonna be available for everyone for free. Literally, I cannot wait to try this thing. At the conclusion, AI cannot replace the jobs. A man who knows the AI can replace. At the end of the video, I will provide the whole HTML, CSS and the JavaScript code for the traveling website for free. So without any delay, let's back to the video. So stay tuned until the end of the video. To make an app using ChatGPT, we are going to do 4 steps. First, decide what kind of app that you want to create. Now, if you have an idea for an app, you should tell ChatGPT about it and how should it work. But for the purpose of the video, we are going to make a small game like TikTok toy. So let's go to the ChatGPT and ask it to give HTML, CSS and JavaScript code. For a 2-player TikTok toe game, you can see we have got the code. Now to check if the code is working correctly, let's use a tool called CodePen. So let's go to the CodePen and click Start Coding. Here you can see we have 3 different sections where we can have enter HTML, CSS and JavaScript code respectively. So let's go back to the ChatGPT, then copy the HTML code and paste it here. Then do the same for the CSS and JavaScript code. Once you have pasted the code, if you move to this up, you can see we have a preview of our game. So let's test it out. As you can see, the game is working completely fine, but there are a few things that we need to do make it better. So first off, let's improve how it looks. So let's change the background color and add pop-up to reveal who is the winner, and also add a button here to restart the game. So let's go back to the ChatGPT and ask it to regenerate the code with the changes we want. You can see we got the new version of our code. So let's copy the new HTML code, then go back to the CodePen and replace the old code with the new one. Then do the same for the CSS and the JavaScript code, and you can see that the background color has been changed. Now when we play the game, you can see it shows who has won the game in a pop-up, and it has a button to start a new game and it has a button to restart the game. Now if you want to add anything additional to your game and make changes, you can ask ChatGPT to get the code and replace them with the old one. Okay, so now we have got the code from the ChatGPT and tested it. We can now go to the next step, which is to save our code to the computer. First, we need to copy all this code in a notepad. So let's open a notepad, then copy the HTML code and paste it here. To save the file, let's create a new folder and name it. Then save the file as a index.html because only then our app will work properly. And in the same way, let's open a new file, then copy the CSS code and paste it here. Then save the file as mentioned here, which is style CSS. Again, let's open a new file, copy the JavaScript code and paste it here. Then save it as script.js. Okay, once you are done, we can run the game locally. So let's go to the folder we created, and if you open this index file, you can see that our game is run locally on our browser. So now we have successfully saved the code to our computer, and now the app is working fine as I told earlier. I will show you a way to convert this app into mobile app that you can install on your Android device, share with your friends, and also publish it on the Play Store. So convert this app into mobile app. First we need to upload the app into online. So to do that we are going to use a tool called TinyHost. So just click the link below the video and it will take to the website. Now give a name for your app. I am going to enter TikTok Toy app, and this is the URL of your game. Next we need to upload our app as a zip file. To do that, let's compress the file which we saved on our computer. So let's right click on it, go to send and click compress. Once it is done, just drag and drop your zip file here. Now click on Google, then log into your Google account, and our app is live now. Now if you click on view site, you can see our app is live on the internet, where we can share it with everyone. Okay, now we have successfully posted our app online. Once it is done, we can go to the final step, which is to convert the web app into mobile app. So to convert it, we are going to use a tool called Web into App. This tool is completely free to use. So just click on the link in the description and it will take to you this website. Now click on Get Started, and here we need to enter the URL of our app. So to get it, let's go back to our app, copy the URL, go back and paste it here, then enter. Then enter a name of our app and click next. Now here we need to add an icon for our app. So let's click on set icon, then select the icon, click open, then icon will be added here. Now if you don't have any icon for your app, you can check out the website called Flight Icon and you can get an icon from here. Okay, once you have added the app icon, click on make app, then enter these details. Click on register and click on make app. As you can see, we have converted our web app into mobile app. So once it is done, we can go and download our app. So just click here, click download, then click download all files, and the app will be downloaded to our computer. Now we are almost there. Let's download the game into our phone. To do that, we need to extract the zip file on our computer. So let's open the file which we just downloaded. Then right click on it, click on extract all and click extract. Now if you open that folder, then open the Android folder, you can see we have the APK file here. So once you get the APK file, we can go and install the app on the phone. So let's click on new tab. Then click here and go to Google Drive. Now drag and drop the APK files here, and it will be uploaded to the drive. So once it is uploaded, download and install the APK file on our phone. So go to the Google Drive, open the APK file, click install and click open. As you can see, our game has been installed on our phone, and in the same way you can make any app in just a few minutes. Okay, that's it guys. This is how you can make an app using ChatGPT. I have given all the links in the description below.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could've played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time